Welcome to my channel NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's NeoTech here, and let's talk about boosting your productivity in 2025. Look, we're all trying to get things done faster and smarter, right? And AI is changing the game. Whether you're running a business, freelancing, creating content, or just trying to manage your day-to-day, AI tools are stepping up to handle those tedious, time-consuming tasks. In this video, I'm diving deep into 7 incredible AI tools that are about to become your new best friends. We're talking content creation, outreach, research, you name it. Think of it like this: AI taking over the repetitive stuff so you can focus on the big picture, the creative stuff, the stuff that actually matters. And hey, make sure you stick around until the end, because I've got something special for you. We're going to talk about a hardware AI tool that's so under the radar, most people haven't even heard of it. Yeah, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. First up, we've got Napkin AI. Now, if you're anything like me, you've got ideas popping up everywhere, right? Napkin AI is like having a second brain, always there to catch those ideas and, more importantly, make sense of them. Imagine this. You're working on a project, maybe a video script, and you've got random notes scattered everywhere. Napkin AI swoops in, organizes those thoughts, connects them to relevant concepts, and boom, you've got a structured outline. But it's not just about organizing chaos. Napkin AI is also incredibly powerful for research. Let's say you're diving into a new topic for a project. You can feed all your research material into Napkin AI, and it will pull out the key takeaways, highlight important connections, and even suggest new avenues for exploration. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and it just feels natural. You can literally jot down ideas as they come to you, just like you would on a napkin, and Napkin AI takes care of the rest. Think about it. Brainstorming sessions that are actually productive, research that doesn't feel like a chore, and the ability to capture those fleeting moments of brilliance before they disappear. That's the power of Napkin AI. Next up, we're talking about Clay AI, and this one's a game changer for anyone looking to grow their business. We all know how crucial lead generation is, but let's be honest, it can be a grind. Clay AI takes that grind and automates it, using the power of AI to find and qualify leads for you. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours searching for potential customers, you've got Clay AI working behind the scenes, identifying the best leads based on your ideal customer profile. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working around the clock to fill your pipeline, but it gets even better. Clay AI integrates seamlessly with your CRM, so you can enrich your existing customer data and get even more precise with your targeting. And when it comes to outreach, Clay AI doesn't just send generic emails. We're talking personalized messaging that resonates with each individual lead, increasing your chances of actually closing deals. So whether you're running an e-commerce store, a B2B company, or anything in between, Clay AI can help you streamline your sales process, close more deals, and ultimately grow your business faster. Let's be real, research can be a time-consuming black hole. But what if you had an AI assistant that could handle the heavy lifting for you? That's where NotebookLM comes in. This tool is a game changer for anyone who spends a significant amount of time digging through documents, research papers, or even just trying to make sense of their own notes. Imagine this. You're working on a big project, and you've got a mountain of research papers to get through. Instead of spending hours reading every single word, you can upload those papers to NotebookLM, and it will do the heavy lifting for you. It'll pull out the key takeaways, highlight the most important information, and even generate summaries that are easy to digest. But it's not just about summarizing. NotebookLM is also incredibly powerful for organizing your thoughts and ideas. You can use it to take notes during meetings, brainstorm new concepts, or even just jot down random thoughts. And because it's AI-powered, NotebookLM can connect the dots between your ideas, helping you see patterns and insights that you might have missed otherwise. Chapter 4. CrewAI Building Your AI Workforce. Alright, let's talk about CrewAI, and this one's for all the forward thinkers out there. Imagine having an entire workforce powered by AI, handling tasks across different departments, all working together seamlessly. That's the vision behind CrewAI. It's not just about automating individual tasks, it's about building a complete AI ecosystem tailored to your specific needs. Let's say you're running a digital agency. You could have a CrewAI agent handling client inquiries, another one scheduling meetings, and yet another one generating reports. And the best part, these agents can communicate with each other, share information, and learn from their interactions, becoming more efficient and effective over time. But it's not just about replacing human employees. CrewAI is about augmenting your existing workforce, freeing up your team to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging the power of AI to build a more efficient and productive organization. Chapter 5. Replicate AI for Developers Unleashed. Now this one's for all the developers and tech enthusiasts out there. Replicate AI is like unlocking a secret level of AI development. It gives you access to state-of-the-art AI models without needing a supercomputer in your basement. We're talking about the kind of models that power image generation, natural language processing, predictive analytics, you name it. The beauty of Replicate AI is that it handles all the complex infrastructure, so you can focus on what really matters, building amazing AI-powered applications. It's like having a team of machine learning experts at your fingertips, ready to help you bring your ideas to life. Whether you're building a chatbot, developing a new image editing tool, or just experimenting with the latest AI models, Replicate AI gives you the power and flexibility to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's AI democratized, putting cutting-edge technology in the hands of anyone with a great idea. Chapter 6. Autopod AI, the AI video editor you've been waiting for. All right, content creators, this one's for you. We all know how time-consuming video editing can be. Cutting clips, adding transitions, syncing audio, it's a process. But what if you could automate most of it? That's where Autopod AI comes in. This AI-powered video editor is about to change the game. Imagine this, you upload your raw footage to Autopod AI and it takes care of the rest. It can identify the best cuts, add smooth transitions, even automatically generate subtitles. It's like having a professional editor working on your videos 24/7. But it's not just about saving time. Autopod AI can also help you improve the quality of your videos. It can analyze your footage and suggest ways to make it more engaging, like adding music, sound effects, or even visual effects. And because it's AI-powered, it's constantly learning and improving, so you can be sure that your videos are always looking their best. Chapter 7. Omi, your AI-powered productivity assistant. Last but not least, let's talk about Omi, your new AI-powered productivity assistant. This tool is like having a personal assistant that lives inside your computer, helping you stay organized, manage your time, and get more done. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and Omi has already sorted through your inbox, highlighting the most important emails and summarizing the rest. You open your calendar, and Omi has already scheduled your meetings, taking into account your travel time and other commitments. Throughout the day, Omi is there to remind you of deadlines, help you prioritize tasks, and even draft quick replies to common emails. But it's not just about managing your schedule. Omi can also help you streamline your workflows. It can connect to your favorite productivity tools like project management apps, note-taking apps, and communication platforms to create a seamless and efficient workflow. With Omi by your side, you can finally achieve that elusive inbox zero, stay on top of your to-do list, and free up your mental energy to focus on the things that really matter. Otro, the future of productivity is here. So there you have it, 7 incredible AI tools that are changing the way we work and live. From automating tedious tasks to augmenting our creativity, AI is becoming an indispensable part of our lives. And the best part is, this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and innovative tools to emerge, further blurring the lines between human and machine intelligence. The future of productivity is here, and it's powered by AI. So the question is, are you ready to embrace it? Let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited to try. And hey, if you're as passionate about the future of AI as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.